The runs scored by two teams, A and B, on the first 60 balls in a cricket match are given below. Number of balls, team A and team B, the performance. Represent the data of both the teams on same graph using frequency polygon. There's a hint. First, make the class interval continuous. So let's look at it. We have 6 and 7, 12 and 13. Yes, it's not continuous. We have to make it continuous. So the very first thing is the number of balls, the first column which is continuous. Then your class mark. Then we have team A and team B. And next is we need to figure out what to subtract. X is the difference between the upper limit, lower limit of a class minus the upper limit of the previous class divided by 2. So this is clearly half. And this value, therefore, add half to upper limit and subtract half to lower limit. So basically we're looking at 0.5. Then you can see the difference. It is constant, right? 6, 12, 18, 24. This is a multiple of 6. So since the class width is constant, we can just note class width is, class size is constant. So what can we do with this? So as I was about to tell, we can just keep on adding. Okay, so that would be your equivalent to subtracting right from the lower limit, respective lower limit. That's all. See, I'm getting that. This will be 24.5. This is 30.5. This is 36.5, 42.5, 48.5. Then we have 54.5. That's the last value. Then put hyphen. And then we have the upper limit, which is copying from the lower limit of the next class, right? So this is only your continuous table. That's all. It has to be so. So once in a while check if you are doing it right. And last is 60.5. Just check one or two. So 30.5, so 25 and 30, we can see it is 24.5 and 30.5, right? So that one verification is enough. And next is class mark. What is class mark? It's the average of the upper and the lower class. So this will be how much? 7 and 3.5. So since the class size is constant, we can just add 6 to the next set of numbers and we'll get the class mark. So this will be 9.5. This will be 15, 21, 27.5, 33.5, 39.5. Once in a while you can verify so that you know you have not missed anything. So difference over here is 4, 5. Okay, right, that's correct. Then we have 45.5 and 51.5 and 57.5. Again, verify with the last one. So difference is 6.7. Sorry, difference is 6. Yeah, 7. No, 6. Divided by 2 is 3. So that's correct. And next is just copying team A score 2, 1, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 10, 6, 2. And we have 5, 6, 2, 10, 5, 6, 3, 4, 8 and 10. Okay, so since this was not continuous, we made it continuous. We found the class mark and extra ticks on the graph that we will not forget. Right, so all the preparation has been done. Now it's to draw the graph. It will be a bit of lengthy work. because we have a class size of 6 and we have 3.5 and all of that. So that will not be easy to just do. I think that is okay. This is important. So we'll take a value of 6. Why 6? Because class size is 6. As class sizes. So such values you need to take. If it's 7, then take that only. Don't mess with it. It'll be confusing if not. 18, 24, 30, 36, then 42, 48, 54, and 60, and I think 60 is the last thing, right? And one more, 66. And now we have to find a class mark of 3.5. And next, after 2 centimeter will be 9.5. So if you find 3.5, then finding the remaining things is not that difficult. So let me explain why and how. See, this is 6, 0, 0 and 6. The middle one is 3. Every 0.1 centimeter is 0.3 centimeters, right? Because 1 centimeter is 3. So every 0.1 centimeter will be 0.3. So 0.3, 0.6. So it will be over here. Plus 6 will give us 9.6. Think about it. 9 and 12, the average is 9. Sorry, 6 and 9, the average is 9. 6 and 12, the average is 9. 6 plus 12 is 18. Divided by 2 will give us 9. 9.6 would be that. So every in between value will give you the class mark. So that is one thing that we can find one value and just find the same pattern in the next set, between the next set of numbers. So that's how you can make your job a lot easier. So we'll begin. Oh yeah, we need to figure out the y-axis also. Here the maximum is 10 and minimum is 1. So we'll go with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so let's start. We have 3.5, that is 2. Then we have 9.5, that is 1. Then we have 15.5, that is 8. Then we have 21.5, that is 9. Then we have 27.5, that will be 4. Do keep verifying, just don't blindly do this. Now keep checking if 27.5 comes in that region. 35.5 would be 5. Then we have 39.5 is 6 over there. Then 45 will come over there, and that's 10. So 10 will be over there. Then we have 6. So 6 would be over there, and 2, and this 2 would be over here, and okay, and 0 last. So 0 also we have to do it in the proper space. And here too, 6 and 2 units, right? So 2 units over here would be, is it not? So try to join this. So wherever that passes, that's your starting point. Well, O is your starting point, then this is point A. And rest of it is just joining. So that is your performance of the first team. Now on to the next team. So next team is 5. So that's 5. Then 6. Then 2. 2 would be over there. Then is 10. So 10 is over there. Then 5. 5 is over here. then 6. It's like they're following them by 1 bit. Then 3, okay, they dropped over here. Then 4, so it would be there. Then 8 is over here. Then 10. So last few balls, and then 0. Okay, again, try to join this to this. So wherever it's passing, that is your starting point, and then join all of this. So we can make it dotted line so that we can distinguish between the scores, right? The teams. While drawing only, you guys should be doing this. I don't have an option, so I'm doing this. And now we can name it. So we have this to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. The other team starts over here, A, B, C, D, E dash, sorry, we'll call this as dash because again you guys don't have color pencils, right? F dash, G dash, H dash, I and J and K and L. So only thing you guys have to be careful with is over here. You need not even show the dotted line. If you guys want, you can just do that, but very small dotted line. I'm erasing. Or if not, very light line, something like this. Okay, I'm not able to do that properly, but yeah, you got the idea, right? So you can show that. If not, this is also okay. Okay. So this is your, not the entire answer. We need to talk about this being the number of balls, and that's your runs, and the scale is, so along the x-axis for every centimeter it is along the x-axis for every centimeter we have 3 balls. Along the y-axis for every centimeter it is 1 run, and the solid line is your team A and dash line is your team B. And now your answer is ready. Okay, so that's your conversion. Okay, so extra tick, that is also done. And this is your graph.